Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you how Graham's algorithm works using a program I wrote in processing. As you can see, I have some controls in the upper left-hand corner of the screen, and I will be displaying some instructions and explanations down towards the bottom of the screen. So we can simply press G to generate some points and get started. Our program has identified the leftmost point in red and drawn a line through it. And I want you to imagine that we are sweeping using this line from the 6 o'clock position to the 12 o'clock position, counterclockwise, like so. And the order in which this line crosses all of these points is the order in which we are going to connect them, like so. First point, second point, so on. So this has formed a rudimentary hole. But this is not the convex hole. It has some indentations in it. It's not complete. So what we need to do is look at the first 3 points and the orientation of the triangle they form. And the orientation of the triangle is in counterclockwise. So counterclockwise is good. That's what we want. So we can simply form a new triangle using our current head, our current middle, and the next point in polar order. This triangle is counterclockwise, so we need to remove the middle point and form a new triangle using our current head, current tail, and our previous point, which is our previous tail. So then this one is counterclockwise. We can form our next triangle. This one is clockwise, so we need to remove the middle and form the triangle using the current head, current tail, and the previous point. So counterclockwise is good, clockwise is bad, so we need to remove the middle and go back. Clockwise is good, counterclockwise is bad, remove this middle and go back. Clockwise is good, move to the next. We need to remove this middle because it's in the wrong orientation. And there we go. Since our next point in the triangle, our next point that we were going to use to form a triangle is our leftmost point, we know that we have seen every point, and therefore we have completely constructed our convex hole. If you would like to see this done again, you can simply press C to clear off all the points, G to generate some more, and then end the step through everything at your own leisure.